Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the crucial role of vitamins and minerals in your fitness journey. Exercise is key, but micronutrients, vitamins and minerals are the spark plugs for your body's engine. These nutrients are vital for optimal performance. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting, understanding their power can make all the difference. Let's talk energy. B vitamins are ultimate energy boosters, especially during workouts. They convert food into energy, powering your muscles through intense sessions. Vitamin B12 and folate form red blood cells, carrying oxygen to your muscles. More oxygen means more energy, letting you push harder and longer. Now let's talk about building those strong, powerful muscles. When it comes to muscle function and strength, three minerals take center stage: calcium, magnesium, and potassium. Calcium is essential for muscle contraction, while magnesium acts like a muscle relaxer, preventing those painful cramps. Potassium ensures smooth muscle contractions and nerve signals for optimal performance. These minerals are essential for building a powerful and resilient you. True fitness gains happen during recovery. Vitamin C is essential for collagen formation and acts as an antioxidant. Zinc is crucial for protein synthesis, building and repairing muscle tissue. Recovery is about giving your body the nutrients it needs to rebuild. We often focus on building muscle, but strong bones are the foundation of a healthy and fit body. Vitamin D acts like a key, unlocking the door for calcium absorption. Without enough vitamin D, your body can't effectively utilize calcium, crucial for maintaining bone density and strength. Phosphorus works hand in hand with calcium to build and maintain strong bones. Strong bones can withstand the impact of intense workouts and help prevent injuries. Ever wonder how your muscles get the oxygen they need to power through a workout? Meet iron, the key component of hemoglobin. Hemoglobin acts like a delivery truck, transporting oxygen from your lungs to your muscles. Without enough iron, your muscles won't receive the oxygen they need, leading to fatigue and decreased performance. Remember, oxygen is the fuel your muscles crave, and iron is the key to delivering it efficiently. Intense workouts build strength and endurance, but they also produce free radicals, damaging cells. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant, neutralizing harmful free radicals. Selenium works with vitamin E, boosting its antioxidant power. It's like having a dynamic duo fighting cellular damage and promoting recovery. Regular exercise is a fantastic way to boost your immune system, but did you know that vitamin A and zinc play vital roles in keeping you healthy? Vitamin A supports your immune function and ensures your body can effectively fight off infections. Zinc helps maintain a healthy defense against viruses and bacteria. A strong immune system is essential for staying healthy and reaching your fitness goals. We all know hydration is essential, but did you know that electrolytes, sodium, potassium and magnesium, are the key to maintaining fluid balance? Sodium helps your body hold on to water, preventing dehydration, especially during those sweaty workouts. Potassium helps regulate muscle contractions and prevents those painful cramps. Proper hydration and electrolyte balance are essential for optimal performance and recovery. Fitness isn't just about physical strength. Mental focus is equally important. B vitamins are like brain boosters, supporting cognitive function, memory and mood regulation. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA and EPA, are essential for brain health and cognitive function. They help improve mental clarity, focus, and even reduce stress and anxiety. A healthy mind is just as important as a healthy body when it comes to reaching your full potential. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on your body and hinder your fitness progress. Vitamin C helps reduce cortisol levels, the stress hormone causing fatigue and weight gain. Magnesium reduces anxiety, improves sleep, and promotes calm. Managing stress is crucial for well-being. So there you have it. We've unlocked the power of vitamins and minerals and shown you how these nutrients can transform your fitness journey. It's not just about hitting the gym, it's about fueling your body with the right nutrients. Whether you're striving for peak performance, aiming to build muscle, or simply want to feel your best, prioritize nutrients. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips.